In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock the home screen layout on your OPPO phone, allowing you to move your app's icon freely. So let's dive right in. First, unlock your OPPO phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. To access the notification panel, tap on the gear icon to open the settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and look for home screen and lock screen. Tap on that option. Next, find and tap on a home screen layout or home screen settings. This is where you can manage the layout options. Now look for the option that says lock home screen layout or similar. If this option is enabled, toggle it off to unlock your layout. Now that the layout is unlocked, go to your home screen. You can tap and hold on any app icon to move it around or even delete if you want. Feel free to organize your apps as you like. You can create folders by dragging one app over another or just reposition them to your preference. And that's it. You have successfully unlocked the home screen layout on your OPPO phone.